Hey beauties, it's Nikea here. Yes, it's me. Yes, I straighten my hair. So I have that video up, so go check that out. And I also showed you all how to get these bomb pin curls. So go check that out as well, okay? But today I'm here to give you all another holiday glam makeup look. But this look is a festive look, and this look was actually inspired by MsVaughn. She's doing Vlogmas this year, and she went to a Christmas pajama party with her line sisters, and she had this cute festive green and gold makeup look. I'll be sure I'll get like a screen grab and put the picture in here for you all to see, but it is so cute. And she had this nice red lip, so that really inspired me to create this glam look. So I wanted to do two holiday looks. I already have one glam holiday look up on my channel, but I did want to do one more glam look. And when I saw her look and I saw how festive it was with the green and the gold and the red, I was like, yes girl, I gotta do it. So thank you MsVaughn for the inspiration. But before we get into that, y'all, just take one quick second, go ahead down below and hit that subscribe button. And once you hit that subscribe button, that bell button's gonna pop up. Click that so you'll get notifications whenever I upload and you will never miss out. Join the club. All right, y'all, let's go ahead and get into this look. Okay, I got y'all in real close like just so we can see all the details of this look. I'm gonna be using the Ruby Kisses Never Touch Up Goodbye Pores because I haven't really been having a lot of issues with shine or oil lately because I just started my new skincare routine. Oh my god. And I'm gonna share that with y'all once I record it. Ooh, looks like I put too much primer on my face. But I'm still having like issues with my skin texture. This routine really worked on that shine because I have oily skin, just oily, terrible. But I need some more time to help me with my skin texture and my pores. So I'm gonna give it time. All right, while that primer does its job, I'm going to go ahead and do my brows using the same pencil I've been using, my Wet n Wild Simmer Brown now. I'm gonna include all the products in the description box. I will link them down there as well. All right, to define my brows, I'm gonna use the Black Opal Foundation in Truly Topaz underneath. I'm gonna use my Black Radiance True Complexion Custom Concealer. Gonna use this light shade to define the top of my brows. Sometimes I like to do that for just a little extra zhuzh. All up in my video. My mom always calling me while I'm recording, and she always talk about me because I always talk about her in my videos. I'm gonna use my Beige Cosmetics Naturally Flawless Foundation. This is the shade Mocha. And then I know this is too light for me, but I have another shade that I mix with it. Don't worry. And then this shade, I forgot what the shade was. Harper broke my bottle. It'll be in the description box. All right, now it's time to contour and highlight. Contour, I'm gonna be using the Black Opal Foundation Stick in Suede Mocha. And then I'm gonna highlight using my LA Girl Pro Concealer, and I use the shade Toffee. And I like to let my concealer sit for a little bit before I blend it out. I'm going to blend out my contour using a damp beauty sponge. I'm going to use the butt of the sponge to blend it out. Right now I'm blending out the highlight with the tapered end of the sponge. Now I'm going to use the taper side, but the other side of the brush, and blend out that nose contour. Got a little crazy on this side, but now I'm just going to take this tapered brush, this from BH Cosmetics, and just blend the contour out just a little bit more. All right, now to set the highlighted areas of my face, I'm going to use my Black Radiance loose setting powder in Banana, and using that same damp sponge. Alright, so I just press that into the skin and I don't bake, so I'm gonna go over and dust off any excess powder. Alright, I'm gonna take my complexion powder. This is Bronze Glow from Black Radiance. Use that to set the rest of my face. And now I'm going to bronze. Y'all know I'm going to use my True Complexion contour palette. This is medium to dark. I'm gonna go in the same areas where I contoured. So this is gonna add a little more warmth and richness. Now let's go ahead and get that nose. All right, just gonna use my powder brush one more time just to make sure there's no craziness going on. All right, so the base is done. The only thing I need to do is add a little bit of that loose setting powder underneath my eyes to catch any fallout. All right, this is my custom palette from Coastal Scents that I made. I'm gonna take this shade right here, which is called Ocktoberfest. It's one of their hot pots. I'm gonna use it as a transition shade. All right, we want to prime the lids first. I'm gonna use this concealer palette. I got it when I went to a makeup class. I don't know where it's from.
Mommy.
So I'm just gonna put that all over my lid. Now we can use that transition shade. Alright, so I have this shadow duo in Gunmetal from L'Oreal. And I'm gonna take this darker shade here. It has a matte texture, but it has some flecks of glitter in it. Alright, so we're gonna go with that. Gonna go on a fluffy blending brush. And first I'm going to pack that onto my outer V. And then sweep it in. And I'm taking it all the way in to create a halo eye. Alright, now I do want to take this Smokey eyeshadow palette from Coastal Scents. I'm going to use that same brush. And I'm going to use this dark, I'm going to say it's a hunter green, just to get some of that green pigment into the look. So I'm just creating the same pattern that I did with that first color and just sweeping it in. Yeah, I probably should have used this one first. Yeah, so we're just going right on top of that color. But I think that Gunmetal color provided a good base for it. All right, we're cooking with grease here. All right, I'm gonna use this pointed blending brush. I'm gonna take that first green Gunmetal color and focus that in the crease, in the outer V of the eye, just to add a little bit of depth. Back to the concealer palette, and I'm going to pop some concealer onto the center of my lid. We really want these colors on the center of the lid to pop. For the center of the lid colors, I'm gonna be using the Nubian 2 palette by Juvia's Place. All right, to really make these colors pop, I'm going to spray my shadow brush with some setting spray, and then I'm gonna dip it into the colors. So first I'm gonna use this color Egypt right here. It's like an olive green, which I thought would be perfect to pick up some of the gold that I'm going to use. And I'm going to place that on the outermost sides of the halo and connecting those two colors right, or that color right in the crease on each side. So you put it on the sides and then connecting it in the crease. All right, now that we have that there, and you can see the gold tones. I don't know if it's picking up on camera, but I can see it in person. It's really picking up on the gold. All right, now I'm gonna use the gold Nairobi from this palette. I spray my brush again, and I'm gonna put that right in the center. Again, popping it in the center and blending it into that Egypt color. How much more festive can you be? All right, I'm taking this longer fluffy blending brush and just blending out those edges. Looking good to me. So now I'm gonna sweep away Harper. Now I'm gonna sweep away the powder. I'm gonna use this dome shaped brush to put the colors on my lower lash line. So I'm gonna start with that gunmetal green. All right, now to the Smoky Eye palette, using that hunter green. And I am gonna take a little bit of Egypt and just put that in the center of my lower lash line. Nubian 2 palette, and we're gonna use Zuri, which is like this champagne. Gonna get it on this detail brush and pop that right in there. All right, now of course we need to line our top lash line. And I like to use this liquid eyeliner from Beige Cosmetics. This pen is amazing. All right, using my Big and Daring Volume Mascara from MsVaughn. I'm gonna do a mix of Valentine, Brovado, and Rosebud. These 3 shades right here. They're all from Coastal Scent. Just a little bit of color on the cheeks. All right, now it's time to highlight. I'm gonna use that highlight from my Black Radiance palette, contour palette. Then I'm also going to use this Baked and Bronzing palette, use this bronze one here to get some more of that metallic gold fleck popping. It's a little more intense because it's the holidays, it's a festive look. All right, now for the lip, I'm gonna be using this Black Radiance Matte Lip Cream. This is the color 5406. I will put the shade name in the description box, I'll find it. And this is very matte. So I already have some lip product on my lip, so make sure I put that up there to really provide some movement on my lip. Because if you don't, it's gonna be a crumbly mess. Before I put on the lip color, I'm gonna put on this Nikea lip liner in red. All right, then I'm going to use the matte lip cream to line my lips and fill them in. One nice thing about Black Radiance lip products, oh my god, these lip creams smell like applesauce. Where's your daddy? All right, we're gonna put some setting spray on. Don't mess up the hair, honey. Add some moisture back to your face after all that powder and stuff. Lashes I'm gonna put on are from Kiss. They're in the style Poise. All right, here is the finished look. I really think this is a really fun, festive holiday look if you want to add some color and really be festive with the red and the green and the gold. I had fun recreating this look. Thank you, MsVaughn, for the inspiration. And I hope you all enjoyed. But before you go, make sure you go down below and click that subscribe button, and right next to that, click that bell notification button so that you never miss when I post. Like I always say, it's free, it's easy, and it's fun. Again, thank you so much for watching, beauties, and I'll see you in the next one. Merry Christmas and happy holidays.